What if this old scrap radio still had one more secret hidden inside? Not music, not static. Something completely unexpected. Today, we're taking apart this old radio receiver and turning one of its forgotten parts into something you probably never imagined. And no, I'm not going to reveal what it does just yet. You'll want to stay till the end because the final test is definitely worth seeing. First, let's open it up. Grab a screwdriver and carefully remove all the screws holding the back cover in place. Take your time here. Since this is a scrap device, some screws might be a little rusty or stuck. Once all the screws are out, gently lift off the cover and let's see what's hiding inside this old radio. Inside, you'll find the main circuit board. But that's not the part we're after. Using the screwdriver, remove the screws securing the circuit board to the case. Carefully lift the board out and underneath. You'll discover the real star of today's project, the speaker. Now remove the screws holding the speaker in place. This small speaker may look ordinary, but with a few simple modifications, we're going to make it do something completely different. Keep watching, because this is where things start getting interesting. For this step, grab a paper clip and straighten it completely. Next, cut it into 2 equal pieces. We'll only need one section for the project. Now take some solder and melt a small amount right at the center of the metal piece. Apply a little solder to the middle area between these terminals. Next, Bend the paper clip exactly as shown. This shape is important because the metal piece needs to make contact with the speaker's inner wire while remaining supported by the terminal plate. Carefully solder the bent paper clip onto the center of the speaker terminal plate, making sure the tip lightly touches the inner speaker wire. Once that's done, prepare your connecting wires. Use a soldering iron to remove the insulation from the ends of the wire. Twist the exposed strands together so they're easier to solder. Solder one wire to the speaker's negative terminal. Then prepare a second wire the same way and solder it to the free end of the paper clip. At this point, everything is connected. But the real question is, what happens when we power it up? There's only one way to find out. All right, it's testing time. Grab a 4.2-volt lithium-ion battery. Connect the battery's negative terminal to the wire attached to the speaker's negative pin. Then, touch the positive terminal to the wire connected to the paper clip. And there it is. That old radio speaker has now transformed into a loud beeping device that sounds surprisingly similar to a car horn. A simple scrap component, a few basic materials, and you've got something that can be used in a variety of DIY projects. You can experiment with it for security alarms, motorcycle alert systems, custom electronic projects, and much more. If you enjoyed this creative reuse project, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below letting me know what I should build next. Thanks for watching.